Hello, lovely nuggets. Before you close your eyes and feel the weight of your body relaxing and drifting away, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Without further ado, I hope you get the restful sleep you desire. You know, it's funny how we always end up in here at the same time. The laundry room, a place no one really wants to be, but somehow it's kind of peaceful. I mean, no distractions, just the sound of the dryer humming, the smell of detergent. Feels like the perfect time to just, chill. No pressure. You could come sit, relax, maybe talk for a bit. I mean, we're both stuck here anyway, right? The machines don't exactly speed up for us. And, if I'm being honest, I don't really mind the company. I've got a ton of stuff to do, but somehow this feels nicer, less like a chore. Sometimes it's the little moments that make things feel not so boring. Just you, me, and the laundry. No one else around. No rush. Feels kind of perfect, don't you think? Besides, it's way more fun when you're not in such a hurry. We could talk, hang out. I mean, we don't have to do anything. Just be here, together. Sometimes I think we get so caught up in everything. Work, school, life, that we forget how nice it is to just breathe, To just be here without any pressure or expectations. It's kind of funny. We're in the laundry room, of all places, and I'm actually enjoying this. Enjoying talking to you. Isn't that strange? I mean, I wouldn't have pegged this as a place to have a good conversation. But here we are. And you're not even making fun of me for folding my shirts all weird. That's pretty rare. I usually get a little awkward around people I like. But for some reason, with you, it's different. I just feel comfortable. So, how about it? You gonna let me show you how to fold a towel without it looking like a crumpled mess? Or do you just want to keep pretending you don't need my help? I was thinking I could show you the proper way to fold towels. It's an art form, really. Maybe I could even give you a crash course, like a personal trainer, but for laundry. You'd be my laundry apprentice. How's that sound? Okay, first lesson. The towel must be treated with respect. Never fold it in a hurry, or you'll risk disaster. See? That's how you fold a towel like a pro. Voila. You try. Or, you could just watch me, learn from the master. But no pressure. But I'm also pretty good at other things, like role play. You ever think about that? Like, imagine we're secret agents on a mission, and our cover is this laundry room. We have to fold every item perfectly to prevent detection. You're the rookie agent, and I'm your cool, experienced partner, showing you the ropes. Your mission is simple. Don't screw it up. If you do, we might just blow our cover. Okay, maybe I'm getting a little carried away, but it's kind of fun to imagine. The world's so full of serious stuff. It's nice to just escape into something silly for a minute, right? Sometimes, I think we forget how nice it is to just be. No pressures, no distractions. It's like the world outside is constantly spinning, but in here, it's like we can just slow down for a minute. Forget everything. Just relax. I don't know about you, but I've had a week where I'm just constantly going. Feels like there's always something I should be doing. But here, there's no should, no rush, no deadlines. It's just laundry, and us, and the gentle hum of the washing machine. It's kinda perfect, right? I mean, I'm not saying we should stay here all night or anything, but it'd be nice, wouldn't it? Just not having to worry about anything for a little while. No performance, no pressure. Just a couple of people hanging out in a laundry room, of all places. Honestly, I think sometimes the best moments are the ones that happen when you're not even trying. Like this whole thing. It's just so chill. We're just here, and I can't even remember the last time I felt this unbothered. You know, it's funny how quiet it is in here. Like the world just kind of disappears for a minute. No phones, no noise, no one rushing around. Just us, and the laundry, and the hum of the dryer. I kinda like it. Feels like the kind of place you can just breathe, you know? No pressure, no expectations, just here. It's like we forget how nice it is to just be sometimes, to not have to do anything but fold shirts and maybe talk for a bit. I mean, it's not like we have to do anything else, right? Just enjoy the moment. Maybe it's silly, but I've been thinking lately that we don't really slow down enough. And honestly, this feels pretty perfect. No rush, no weird small talk, just quiet. I don't know, it's nice, right? Sometimes it's the little things that are the best. Like this, just sitting, not needing to impress anyone, just being. I think I could get used to this. You ever feel that? Like, the space between us is different? Like we're standing on the edge of something, but it doesn't feel scary. It feels natural. I don't even know what it is, but it's like there's a pull, right? Not the kind that makes you run away, but the kind that makes you want to stay, to not leave. I don't know. I guess maybe I'm just talking in circles, but it feels like something's here. Something that's more than just laundry, more than just this. And it's not awkward or forced. It's just right. So, yeah, maybe we can just stay here. No rush, no talking. Just this, together. So, what now? We officially done with the laundry? Or do you need any more professional folding advice? You don't have to leave if you don't want to. I mean, we can hang out a little longer if you're not in a rush. Or, you know, we could just walk around for a bit, get some fresh air or something. I don't know. No pressure. I don't know. I feel like I could actually talk to you more. Maybe outside of the laundry room.